Hello friends, welcome to EduTab. My name is Mohan and I am here as a mentor for NABARD Grade A as well as IBPS AFO examination at EduTab. So now exactly your prelims of AFO has been done. So it's time to start your preparation, do your preparation for the mains of IBPS AFO. Some of the aspirants might be thinking that I will start my preparation only when the result of prelims get announced. So please don't do that. That's not the case because the time constraint is there. Time is very less to cover your main syllabus or main most important topics from all dimensions. You and your mains examination is on 13th of January. So let's take on an average every aspirant have 25 days for the preparation of mains examination. Okay, so in this particular session I am giving you a strategy and a perfect plan to cover most of your syllabus from which most of the questions in your mains, more than 90% of question will frame from this strategy, this plan. Okay, so watch this session till end and follow the strategy. So for the preparation of any kind of examination, aspirants need three things. First is the strategy, next the content and revision. These three things that gives you your fruitfulness to your efforts. Strategies means the plan. Plan is needed when there is a shortage of something or something is limited, then only the plan is needed. For doing your preparation consistently, plan is needed. So here the constraint of time. So I'm categorizing the most important topics and most important subject based on by analyzing the previous year question papers of IBPS AFO mains examination, and by my personal insight I have categorized all the subjects in the four components based on the priority, and every component in each and every category are all are at the same level. So which are those categories, which are those most important components? So let's see. So before going to the strategy or the plan, I am requesting you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also join our Telegram channel to get access to the PDF and the notes of all video lectures that we are providing on YouTube. So here is the categories, four category on priority basis, and here the name of the components in a respective category, all four categories for the preparation of AFO mains. More than 90% of question will frame from this, all this. Okay, so category 1 includes agronomy, horticulture, soil science, agricultural engineering, seed technology and Kurukshetra magazine of last 6 months. So in detail I am describing what you have to read and which are the most important topics in upcoming slides. Okay, stay with me. Next, category 1. For covering, to cover the category 1s, you have to just 10 days, you have to give only initial 10 days to cover the strategies for 25 days, though then you have to give only 10 days for the components in the category 1. From 25 days, next 7 days is for the to cover the components in the category 2, and next 5 days is given, should be given to the components in the category 3, and remaining 3 days is to cover the components in the category 4. Likewise, these when you get a summation of all the days, that gives figure of 25 days. So this is the plan actually, and this category 1 and category 2 components that covers your most of general agriculture. Okay, and category 3 and category 4 components that gives you additional confidence, better edge than the others in regarding the agri related current affairs. That is asked most of the times in the examination. Most of the questions will frame from this agri current affairs. Okay, so in detail I am describing each and every category. So let's see. So here are the components in the category 1, and for that, to cover the components in the category 1, initial 10 days that you have to give. This is the time slot of 10 days for the sufficient for the to cover the category components in the category 1. So from each and every component, which are the most important topics, means from agronomy what you have to cover, from agronomy, which are the most important topics? Here the list. Here the list of most important topics from agronomy, horticulture, agriculture engineering, soil science and agriculture chemistry, seed technology, and Kurukshetra magazine. So most of the aspirants who are preparing, who come across to the IBPS AFO means they are afraid of the current affairs. Okay, so for current affairs, you have to refer Kurukshetra magazine, and I am placing this Kurukshetra magazine along with these components. All are from the static, from the general agriculture. Along with these components, I am placing this Kurukshetra magazine. So within 10 days, you have to cover all the components in the category 1. Okay. Kurukshetra magazine, for every aspirant to cover last 6 months Kurukshetra magazine prior to your date of examination is not possible. Word by word, line by line, that is not possible to the with most of the aspirant to cover the Kurukshetra magazine. So at any cost, you cannot afford mistake to cover Kurukshetra magazine of prior 3 months. Everyone has to cover who come across for the mains examination. For prior to your date of examination, 3 months of Kurukshetra magazine, that includes most of data, current affairs regarding over which most of the questions from current affairs, agriculture current affairs, which are framed from the last 3 months of Kurukshetra magazine. Okay, so means you have to cover जनवरी 2022 का मैगजीन भी देखना पड़ेगा, दिसंबर का 2021 का भी मैगजीन देखना पड़ेगा, और November 2021. So I will write here November, December and January. At least three months of magazine that you have to cover. November, December 2021 का और January 2022 का. ठीक है. So all our components and their most important topics is given on your screen. Take a screenshot. Let's see which are the components and most important topics that I have placed in category 2. Okay, and this category 1 initial 10 days that you have to give. Next, for category 2 components, it includes agricultural, animal husbandry, dairy science, agriculture, general agriculture की topic है, which are at second priority, along with flagship schemes. So if you divide general agriculture and the current affairs in a category 1, I am placing Kurukshetra magazine on the first priority, and in category 2, for current affairs, I am placing flagship schemes at a second priority. Okay, these are the components for the to cover the general agriculture, remaining portion of general agriculture. Category 2, and which are the most important topics from each and every components here. For animal husbandry and dairy science, these are the list of topics from fisheries and aquaculture. So here is the list of topics from agricultural entomology and plant pathology. Here the list for the to cover the sericulture and apiculture. And flagship schemes. Flagship schemes means what? Flagship schemes are those schemes which are implemented all over India. Huge fund is allocated for the flagship schemes. Most of the farmers are benefiting from the flagship schemes. Various small schemes are included in the flagship schemes. That scheme is called the flagship schemes. So which are the flagship schemes? Here the list of flagship schemes in examination perspective that you have to cover. Okay. So for the all the component and the most important topics in a category 2 components, next 7 days are sufficient. Okay, within the 7 days you have to cover all this. Okay, next move to the category 3 components. So here on your screen the list of component or most important subjects that I have categorized that I am placing in category 3. It includes agricultural extension, agriculture economics, NABARD, RRB, PIB website for the current affairs and the others. देखो यहाँ पे अगेन दो कंपार्टमेंट, इसके अंदर है जनरल एग्रीकल्चर, यहाँ करंट अफेयर का. सो यू विल सी दैट इट इन ईच एंड एवरी कैटेगरी आई एम taking together I'm placing static as well as current affair, the blend of in every category. Okay, static as well as current affair, need not to bother. Some of the student might be thinking that सो स्टैटिक का पोर्शन ज़्यादा पूछेंगे, जनरल एग्रीकल्चर पे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो मैं उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस कर लेता हूँ। करंट अफेयर्स के क्या कितने क्वेश्चन आएंगे, 7-8 ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे, छोड़ देता हूँ, नहीं आते तो भी क्या होता है, ये अप्रोच ठीक नहीं है, ठीक है। सो मेक योर preparation integrated with static along with the current affairs. Okay, so category 2 components, it includes agriculture extension and agricultural economics as a general agriculture, and for current affairs in the category 3 it includes NABARD RRB PIB website, and other it includes census data, annual report of by the ministry, etc. Okay, so from agriculture extension and agriculture economics, not directly questions are being asked for the IBPS AFO examination, but somehow the most important topics are related with the schemes or other type or part of questions in a mains examination. That's why I'm placing this agriculture extension and economics in a category 3 on third priority. Then which are the most important topics from these components? Let's see here. For agriculture extension, these are the list of topics. For economics, this is the list of most important topics. And from NABARD, RRB and PIB website, what you have to cover. Here the introduction, annual report by RRB and NABARD, NABARD bankable, model bankable project report that you have to cover. Most of the reports, projects that were implemented by the government, okay, and most of the farmers are get benefit from that project, that is most important in examination perspective. Okay, so here the model bankable project which are most important: farm mechanization, protection, agriculture, water resources, fisheries, all the projects related with fisheries, uh, the storage of fishes or perishable or all the agriculture commodities, potato storage structure, onion storage structure, everything post harvest storage उसके अंदर आएगा, ठीक है। तो others include agri budget, agri census, livestock census, annual report by Ministry of Agriculture, annual report of Ministry of Rural Development, annual report by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So देखो कैटेगरी 3 के अंदर दिस इज द पोर्शन ऑफ करंट अफेयर दैट यू हैव टू कवर। ओके, नीड नॉट टू गो वर्ड बाय वर्ड, just read headlines and subheads and read that particular report or portion of content that grabs your attention. Okay, so उस हिसाब से आपको प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से करना है, ठीक है। सो फॉर दिस टू कवर दिस कैटेगरी 3 component 5 days are sufficient. Within 5 days, don't give more than 5 days for this. Okay, so within 5 days you have to cover all the components and their most important topics in 5 days, next 5 days, after completing category 1 and all the components in the category 1, then go for the category 2 and all the components in the category 2, and come to the category 3. Next 5 days is allotted for the category 3 components. Okay, next for category 4 components, if time will not permit you, so you can skip this category 4 components, it's up to you. For any modification as per your convenience, you can modify these components and the topics and most important everything you can modify, but just I am giving you the roadmap for the preparation of IBPS AFO examination. Okay, so if time will not permit you, you can skip this component in the category 4. Okay, so these are the components in the category 4 includes ICAR website. Why ICAR? ICAR is the apex body for the education in agriculture. That's why the ICAR is research वगैरह वो सब होता है ICAR के अंदर, तो so that's why is important in examination perspective. So static के अंदर agriculture की varieties वगैरह ये सब आती है, उसके हिसाब से ICAR website you have to refer for the news flash. So which are the most important topics from ICAR website? Let's see here. You have to refer news flash, research institute, journals and magazines published by the ICAR institutions. ठीक है, important varieties and hybrids with a specific trait with important characteristic that you have to remember in examination perspective. Next, agriculture products and export development authority website, APEDA, that gives you export and import data, that gives an better idea, better understanding that government is the policy of the government for the export and the import, and the importance of the production and productivity of respective agricultural commodities through agriculture export and import data. Okay, next, development of Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare website. From this website you will get, it covers the agriculture area, production productivity data, MSP data. MSP means minimum support price, that announced by CSCP. Okay, that announced by government, not CSCP, but recommended by CSCP. So announced by government means the cabinet. MSP is announced by cabinet, but it is recommended to the cabinet by CSCP, Commission of Agriculture Cost and Prices, that recommends the MSP to the central government, to the cabinet. Okay, so data regarding the MSP of various crops, you will get it from the Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare website. Okay, next, National Bureau of Soil Science and Land Use Planning website. It gives you a soil data regarding major types of soil and their coverage all over India, as well as problematic soils and their coverage. That you will get it from the NBSS and Land Use Planning वाला website जो होता है उससे, ठीक है. So these are the components in the category 4, and you have to give only 3 days to do research for over the components in the category 4. Okay, not more than 3 days. 3 days are sufficient. Within that you have to cover all the components. Okay, next, so don't worry, I will be there with you till your date of examination through important MCQs over YouTube session. Next, the mock test, weekly mock test I will conduct. Next, the strategy booster dose for the concept that most of the aspirants seems difficult. So in the strategy session, I am giving you a booster dose to you, that will boost your preparation, that will clear your vision of a next roadmap. Okay. Next, the doubt clearing session. So I will come live and interaction with you and interact the doubt, that I'm clearing your doubt regarding the concept and other doubts regarding your examination in doubt clearing session. Next, the final revision session includes marathon series. So उसके अंदर चलो जब रिवीजन का टाइम आएगा, when your exam is very nearer, then I am conducting this live marathon series. So in that, what is a important perspective regarding to score the more marks, which are the most important questions, what are the most important concept over which the question, there might be a very good chances to ask the question frame from this particular concept that I am discussing in the live marathon series. So please don't miss all this. So wish you all the best. Do your preparation. By this I will be there with you. Important MCQs, mock test, strategy booster dose, doubt clearing session, final revision session, or called as live marathon series. So EduTab is offering 2 courses for the aspirant who are preparing for the IBPS AFO mains examination. Course 1 includes detailed videos and the notes, month-wise agriculture current affair magazines, important schemes related to agriculture, and phase 2 test series. Means जो भी आएगा आपका मेंस का, that will covered in this course 1. Everything is covered in the course 1. So मैंने तो पहले ही बोला था कि स्टूडेंट्स और एस्पिरेंट्स आर कंफ्यूजिंग दैट what where should I focus to the static portion or focus should be given to the current affair portion. ठीक है. So we come up with these month-wise agriculture current affair magazines. So whatsoever the portion that I told in the previous slides regarding current affairs, all filtered information from everything relevant with the agriculture AFO, means AFO examination, that all from all the sources we are included in this agriculture current affair magazines. So need not to bother regarding the current affairs that much. Okay, and everything is included regarding the mock test and all in the course 1. Course 2 includes 25 full-length mock test and 30 sectional test and their detailed PDF regarding the explanation of each and every questions asked in the mock test. Okay, to this validity of both the courses is up to 31st of March 2022, and to get avail 50% off, you can use the code early 15. Okay, So thanks my dear learners for giving me your precious time. So if you have any doubt, need any further clarification regarding the strategy, regarding any difficulty in the examination, you can mail us on hello@edutab.co.in, or you can call us on 8146207241. So to visit our courses, to see the courses that we are offering, you can visit us on of our official website, that is www.edutab.co.in. So wish you all the best. Do your preparation consistently. I have to mention here that without specific plan, you can't start your preparation. Without consistency, you can't finish your preparation, and without self discipline, success is impossible. So do consistent study at this stage and guaranteed your selection in the final merit list of IBPS AFO. Okay, as an IBPS AFO. Okay, so that's it. That's it. That's all for this session as of now. So stay connected, stay healthy, do your preparation consistently. Thank you so much.